Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys what dialogue editing is. Dialogue editing is part of the process that I make before I make any color correction. As you can see here is raw. This is exactly how my client sent me the footage. She's already cut out all of her mess up, so she already compiled me all the A-roll. A-roll is the talking clips here.
Ideal time frame is going to be 6 to 12 months before desired conception. My name is Julia.
Okay, as you see here, there's a cut.
Conception. My name is Julia.
But not just that, but the pacing, she cuts right from here into her introduction.
12 months before desired conception. My name is Julia.
That doesn't give enough time for the audience to truly sink in what's being said. So I'm gonna make a cut right there. Exactly where her cut is, just right there. But I'm gonna bring this over about to here, so there's enough breath between the information she's giving and her introduction.
To 12 months before desired conception. My name is Julia.
Now, as you can see, there's enough breath there. So I'm gonna bring this audio out a little bit. I'm gonna fade it in.
Conception. My name is Julia.
Okay, so let's go back and from a little bit closer so we can kind of get into the groove.
Ideal time frame is going to be 6 to 12 months before desired conception. My name is Julia.
Okay, but now we have a black screen here. So this is whenever we have to cover it up with something. This is when B-roll comes in handy. Okay, and we're gonna skim through the perfect moment. Now that black space has been filled in.
Time frame is going to be 6 to 12 months before desired conception. My name is...
And that is why B-roll is important. Every time there is a cut, I have to cover that up with B-roll and enhancing the pacing or engagement.